This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook broccoli in the oven. Roasting broccoli is a fantastic way to transform this humble vegetable into a flavorful and satisfying side dish. It's incredibly simple, requires minimal effort, and brings out a delicious nutty flavor with a delightful tender crisp texture. You'll discover how easy it is to achieve perfectly roasted broccoli that your whole family will love, making it a staple in your kitchen. First, let's get our broccoli ready. Start by giving your fresh broccoli a good wash under cool water. Then, carefully cut the florets into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This is important for ensuring that every piece cooks evenly. After cutting, make sure to pat the florets completely dry with a clean towel. Removing excess moisture is a crucial step for achieving that wonderful crispy exterior we all love when roasting. Now for the seasoning and roasting. In a large bowl, toss your dried broccoli florets with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are well coated. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and feel free to add other favorites like garlic powder. Spread the seasoned broccoli in a single layer on a baking sheet, making sure not to overcrowd it. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until tender and slightly charred. And there you have it. Your perfectly roasted broccoli is now ready to be served and enjoyed. This versatile and healthy side dish pairs wonderfully with almost any main course. For an extra burst of flavor, you can squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over it or sprinkle with some grated Parmesan cheese just before serving. Enjoy the delicious, nutritious, and easy-to-make results of your oven-roasted broccoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.